In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Substack welcome page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your welcome page and how to refine it so new readers immediately understand who you are and why they should subscribe. Start by heading to substack.com in your browser. If you manage more than one publication, make sure you're in the correct one so any changes you make apply to the right site. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand side and click Settings. This is where Substack groups most of your publication's controls from branding to distribution. Inside Settings, find and click Website. This section controls what your readers see when they land on your publication. Here, you'll spot options related to design and layout. Choose Edit Theme to open the visual editor. This is where you'll customize how your publication looks and feels to visitors. Within the theme editor, select Welcome Page. The welcome page is often the first impression for new visitors, so treat it like your front door. You'll see fields for your headline, subheading, body text, images, and potentially layout options depending on your theme. Keep your headline short and clear so readers know what your publication delivers. Use the subheading to explain your unique angle or the value subscribers get, such as how often you publish or what topics you cover. In the body area, share a brief introduction and a friendly call to action that invites people to subscribe. If you add an image or logo, choose one that matches your brand and looks crisp at common screen sizes. While editing, make sure your text is scannable. Break ideas into compact paragraphs and avoid jargon that might confuse first-time readers. If your theme lets you adjust colors and fonts from the same panel, choose a palette that aligns with your brand and keeps text readable. Buttons like subscribe should stand out but not clash with the rest of the page. If you can reorder sections, place the most important information and the subscribe prompt near the top so visitors don't miss it. When your updates look good, click Save. Give the page a quick once-over to confirm your headline isn't cut off, your images aren't stretched, and your call to action is easy to find. That's it. Your Substack welcome page is updated and ready to greet new readers with a clear, compelling introduction to your work.